Hello beautiful, this is Angie and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we are going to pick some wild raspberries on the trail. Okay, so I got my bucket with me and my dog with me, and let's get going. So from our place, we are going to walk on the green belt. So right here, I can see some raspberries already. So we're gonna pick those. There's lots of berries on that side, but I will leave that for the wildlife to enjoy. Okay, so let's get going. So right here, we're still on the green belt. And of course, ang aking aso, nagmamadali. Okay. Now guys, we are on the trail now. We need to decide if we're going left or right. And towards us is the lake. So I will let my dog decide where he's going. Okay, Bear, where are we going? Oh, he wants to go on the right. Okay, which is good because the raspberries are on the right side of this trail. Okay, so let's just keep walking. Over here. Over here. Come here. Oh. Some of the berries, but these aren't edible. Wala pa tayong nakikitang raspberry. We will soon. Lots of ducks over there. You hear that? There's lots of them. Oh my gosh, there's lots. Hey guys, I was just gonna show you the wildflower right here. Maraming raspberry dito. There we go. But maliliit sila. Lots of berries right there. Over there too. Guys, ang daming raspberries dito. So magpipick muna tayo, okay? Yep. There you go guys, there's lots of raspberries right here. Lots of raspberries. Lots. Guys, ang daming raspberries doon. But, nakatsinelas lang kasi ako. So, I need to come back at magbobota ako. Kasi maraming, you'll never know what's in there, right? So, yeah. So, guys, nung malayo pa ako, akala ko raspberry to. Sabi ko pa naman, jackpot. And, hindi pala siya raspberry. So, yeah. They're pretty, but they're not edible. There you go. Only have a few because yung mga berries ay masyadong malayo. So, ayoko naman na pumasok dun sa grass. And plus, ang aking alaga ay hila ng hila. So, hindi ako makapag-pick. And one thing that I've noticed with wild raspberries, they're more of orangey-red color compared to one in the garden. They're more like a deep red color. Alright? So, this is the end of our trail. So this is the end of the trail. Come. If you go right all the way, that is the gravel road. Wow. There's lots of those flowers right there. Whoa. Look at those flowers. Look at those wildflowers. Wow.
Morning everybody, it's us again. Today we are making raspberry pancakes, and the only thing with raspberries is they are such a small cluster berry that when you stir them they break up, so you'll have a nice beautiful taste throughout your pancakes.
And I picked this early this morning.
Just so we could have it and show you. Nummy. Well everybody, moment of truth. Taste test.
Ooh.
Beautiful flavor. The only thing I find, because of, as I said, it's a multiple berry, that it breaks up in the pancake. And this is the, I don't know if you can see the consistency of it. It's got all the coloring through it, which is okay. But the thing I found is with raspberries, you get the seeds, but that's okay. That's a little fiber. So I think next time we may try some strawberries and see how that turns out. So that'll be another video for another day. Anyway, enjoy your brunch or breakfast or whatever you're doing at this time of day like we are. Cheers.
Cheers.
Bottoms up, all that.
Okay.
And the thing she didn't tell you is one of my coworkers had a buddy of his that was a driver and moved out to Quebec. And every fall he sends him a case of maple syrup. And when I worked with him, I was able to get a can of it. And boy, there's no better taste than fresh maple syrup on pancakes. It's one of those most exquisite tastes. Anybody that's never tried the pure maple syrup from Quebec, you have to try it. It is something to be tried. Anyway, have a good day.
Bye for now, guys.